train going nowhere, train going south, a train that's bound for glory, that's what I'm talking about. I told you I was leaving, I said I had to go. I'm leaving here tomorrow, I thought that you should know. You told me pretty stories that never came to pass. That's when I found out our love would never last. You are just a memory, something in my past. I thought it was forever, but I knew we'd never last. I'm going to that station, that ticket in my hand. Please don't try to stop me, this time I'll take a stand. Listen to me, children, I don't have many years. Listen to my story with all my love and fears. Take that train to nowhere, or maybe go down south. I won't be bound for glory, that's what I'm all about. I've got to keep on moving, keep 2 steps ahead. Conductor, here's my ticket, just remember what I said.